2015 BMW 535i, how to replace cabin filter. What you want to do, you'll have two 10mm sockets right under the glove box. You want to take those out first, and then what you want to do next after that, take off this I believe it's a T20 or T25. It's a T20 screw. Take that out, and then you want to pull down on the this panel, because this is just attached with screws. Clips. Then what you want to do is just move it to the side. I did it like this. I moved it to the side. Right under here, it'll have 4 screws. One in the front, side, each side, and it'll look like that. So basically 4 screws. These are the screws. You'll see it. The screws will be around the cover. You'll see them. And then what you want to do is take off the cabin filter, and then they should be facing towards the cabin. The arrow should be always towards the cabin, and then just put them back in the same way, and that's it.